I'm at 1617 Amberley Avenue, and we are in the Old Brooklyn neighborhood. Got a brick street down there. So we've got, home was completely rehabbed by the Old Brooklyn Community Development Corporation. New roof, new siding, completely new porch, new sidewalks, new sewer line to the street, new windows, new gutters. Got a nice little yard back here. This does come with a 15-year tax abatement. So nice feature is the porch decking and steps. This is all composite material. So this is like that Trex material. So this will not rot. This will not do anything. It will be around for a long time and something you don't have to worry about. Let's head in. So all new drywall, new flooring, all new everything, new lighting, new electrical, new plumbing, new kitchen, new baths. Quartz countertops, big single sink, soft close cabinets. So we've got space for our fridge there and stove here. And there's actually space over here for a mini dishwasher. Got storage under the steps. Got 2 full baths. There's our first. Just got a shower. And we've got our back bedroom. Is kind of this funny little closet, but has quite a bit of space in it. And we got another bedroom here, closet. Let's head upstairs. So with the tax abatement, the house has to be energy efficient and they have to meet certain standards in order to get the tax abatement. So on top of saving money on taxes, you will also save money on your bills because of the efficiency that's built into the house. So it's going to be insulated. You got the new windows, 90% efficient furnace, efficient hot water tank, efficient water fixtures. So this is the owner's suite up here. So this has an attached full bath. So we got our tub shower combo here. Got our sink, toilet, little storage area back there. And we got our bedroom. And we got a bonus space up here. So the stairwell kind of comes up towards the middle of the house. So it finished this area here. And so this could be like an office, library, put your vinyl records and play them. So there's a lot of things you could do with it. So it's bonus space. You could use it if you needed a lot of, if somebody needs a lot of closet space, this could be extra closet space. So it's truly bonus space that you could use for whatever you think. But it's great. And typically like in a house like this, all of this space would be an attic. But here they utilized all the square footage. Let's head down to the basement. So we've got a door to the backyard here. There's our new electrical panel with all our new wiring up there. Waterproof basement. There's your new furnace, hot water tank. Set up for washer and dryer down here. You can see some of the new plumbing here. New plumbing there. And this also has a sump pump. So the water is directed from behind here down to the bottom. where the water gets trapped and heads to the sump pump, which then directs the water outside. And that's all I've got.